I think we should check in with Gary Kaltbaum, Capital Management President. Gary, welcome back to the program. I really want to talk to you not about the border wall or the declaration of emergency. I want to talk to you about the stock market because you have now turned a little bit more bullish. For a long time, you've been against buying any stocks. Get rid of them, you were saying. Now you've changed. Why?
Well, actually, it was live on air with Ashley last Friday when Jay Powell mentioned that he was basically watching markets now. And I've been watching the Fed for 10 years, and every time the Fed got behind markets, it was folly to be bearish. So after 5,000 Dow points of being bearish, being stretched and extended, and the whole world being bearish, I thought it was time to just change the stance. I'm not wildly bullish. I don't think we have a big bull market coming, but I definitely think there's opportunity now. But you got to wait for earnings. As you see today, Macy's, L Brands, American Airlines, and a couple other retailers are getting smacked because of lowering guidance. So I'm just sitting back, being very patient here and looking for things as we get through earnings, but definitely feeling a lot better about what I'm seeing.
Got it. I can't resist asking the question, do you think it would make any difference to the stock market if indeed the president declared a state of emergency and signed some kind of deal that gets the government working again?
Let me put it best. It won't hurt it if something gets done and we move forward. Look, this is occupying all our time. To me, it's an embarrassment from both sides of the aisle that, by the way, today our federal government's going to spend $12 billion every day for the next year, $12 billion, yet they're haggling over $5 billion over a good period of time. So, again, embarrassing, and I just wish it would get done. I think I'm in the majority that we'd all like to see it get over with at this point, yes, especially indeed. The 800,000 people that wanting paychecks this weekend.
Gary, welcome back to the program. I'm sorry I missed your statement on Friday. I was otherwise detained in Australia. But I'm glad to be back, and I'm glad you're back with us. Gary, we'll see you again real soon. Oh, thank you very much indeed. See you soon.